This test is called shoulder abduction. So all we're gonna have you do is cue your athlete to stand straight, palms facing forward. Try to, with your elbows straight, get your arms to your ears. So Veronica's gonna go ahead and bring her arms to her ears. And now what we're looking for here is a few points of performance. Number one, does the bicep touch the ear? In this case, you're finding that Veronica is actually coming up a little bit short, and that's fine. It's something to note. The next thing we're looking for is there space between the shoulder and the ear? In this case, that does exist. One of the things I like to do that I think you should do as well is come in and take a look. Can I put some overpressure here, Veronica? As I press, we can get her arms to her ears, which indicates to me that she does have the flexibility. She'd just be lacking some of the mobility. And that's something that we can work on fairly easily. So bring your arms back down for me, please. I'm gonna have you demonstrate one more thing for them from the back before we move to the side. Can you bring your arms back up over your head, elbows straight, and shrug your shoulders just a little bit? What you'll see here is some people will cheat the test by doing this, and this is why we're looking for the space between the shoulder and the ear. If they shrug the shoulders, you can bet that when they go overhead, hang from a bar, whatever the case might be, they're gonna find a way to compensate, and that's gonna put them at risk for a future injury. The second place we're gonna look at this test is from the side. So Sean, come on over here for me. Nope, you stay where you were. We'll have the man move, our video man. And same test, elbows straight, palms forward. Go ahead and bring those arms up over your head. Try to get your biceps to your ears. And what we're looking for here is, does the athlete cover their ear with their arms? What we'll see sometimes is people will compensate by bringing their arms forward, because if you're forward, try to bring them closer to your head now, Veronica. Much easier for her to get there. It's a totally different arm slot. So the two things that we're looking for, do they cover their ear? And in this case, that would still be fairly full. But do they cover their ear? Do they get their arm to their ear with their elbow straight? This is shoulder abduction.